How to turn off moving wallpaper on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the Wallpaper option. Here, you can manage your home and lock screen backgrounds. Now, tap on the Add New Wallpaper button. Here, tap on Photos at the top left. You can now select any photo from here. Then, go to Live Photo and select any photo. This is your wallpaper preview. As you can see, the wallpaper is currently moving. To turn this off, tap on the Live Photo icon at the bottom left. Now, tap on Add at the top right corner. Then, tap on Set as Wallpaper Pair. You have now successfully set the wallpaper without the moving effect. Following these steps, you can easily change the wallpaper on an iPhone.